What's in the air you breathe when you go to work? Well, if you work in manufacturing, particles hazardous to your health may very well be airborne. Let's face it, in order to manufacture and process the things we need and the foods we eat, we have to create a lot of fumes, sparks, dust, and smoke. But that doesn't mean the technicians and factory workers need to breathe all those toxins that can make one very sick. Systems that can filter sparks, particles, and toxins from the workplace processes before they can escape and reach workers' breathing zones are just as critical as the equipment used to manufacture what goes out the door. Advanced filtration and ventilation technology developed by RoboVent can deliver safe, clean air solutions to almost every work environment and manufacturing operation. For over 23 years, they have had a passion for redefining clean air technology and solutions for the future. Their systems can keep the air clean even when the job is dirty and maintain a safe, healthy work environment that protects the health of workers on the factory floor.
It really comes down to employee productivity. And NCBI has shown that employee productivity can improve by as much as 9% as a result of a clean working environment. Do the math. The results will surprise you.
Clean air in the workplace is not only a health issue, it's a safety issue. Excess dust, fumes, and smoke can degrade equipment. This causes system failures that can lead to accidents. Sparks from welding and metal cutting processes can ignite fires and put everyone in the plant in jeopardy.
Our business is as a supplier of automotive parts globally, and our facility, we provide seating components and frames. And some of our processes are stamping, welding, painting, assembly. So mostly in welding, that affects air quality, and that's why we use RoboVent air systems.
In welding, the sparks, fumes, and smoke can often cause fires, create a haze, and make the air hard to breathe. RoboVent created a family of clean air solutions that captures smoke, sparks, and dust, filters them, and returns clean air to the plant. The technology includes several innovative ways to extract particles and fumes at the point of the operation, and a unique spark-out technology for fire suppression. These welding solutions are portable, affordable, and versatile. Fumes can be extracted with a fume arm, backdraft hood, direct ducted, or the Vortex ambient air cleaning system.
With our welding process, we have a couple different operations where we're doing some plasma cutting for some destructive type testing that we do with our subassemblies. We have potentially some hand welding where you might just have a portable air system that RoboVent provides. Mostly we have robotic MIG and laser welding, and those air systems are going to be on a bigger scale.
Clean air on the manufacturing floor is no longer a luxury or a perk. It's a necessity. Highly skilled workers will not put up with being forced to breathe smoke, fumes, and other toxins day after day. The respect companies show for their workers' safety and health often results in less absenteeism and much higher productivity. In fact, a study published by the National Institutes of Health states contaminated air in the workplace can decrease worker productivity by as much as 9%. One of the most profound ways a company can show their employees they care is by eliminating the noxious air in their workplace. Not only is it visibly cleaner, but a company can also avoid interference and scrutiny by the regulatory agencies. Authorities too, like EPA, OSHA, and DOL, are clamping down, and the old ways are no longer good enough. RoboVent is always taking the next step to keep everyone compliant, not only for the sake of the regulations, but because it's the right thing to do.
Our ultimate goal is to be the provider of guaranteed clean air, and we want to take all the concerns regarding clean air off their shoulders and put it onto ours so that they can feel 100% trusted that with RoboVent, we're going to handle everything and it's going to be a perfect solution to whatever the situation is.
Unique air filtration and ventilation challenges exist for different operations. In welding, sparks, smoke, and fumes need to be eliminated. Metal cutting generates microscopic metal particles that workers can breathe if they are not filtered and extracted from the air. Other operations expose workers to machining fluids that can create a hazardous environment. For this, RoboVent systems can not only separate the fluids from the air, but returns the filtered oil back to the machine while delivering clean, healthy air back to the workplace.
We want to make sure that our employees on the work floor have just as clean as air as we do in our office area. If we expect this every day, then they should expect the same in their work area.
As our manufacturing technologies improve and advance, so must the tools we use to clean the air from those processes.
We have a tremendous amount in the pipeline right now. Some really great products that will completely change the way the industry works, the way it operates, reducing costs, reducing waste, improving performance.
Employee satisfaction is too often an underrated asset. The enlightened employers, who understand the value of keeping employees healthy, happy, and engaged, usually see those results in greater loyalty and a much better profit picture. The innovative minds at RoboVent are on the leading edge of clean air solutions, developing systems that allow us all to work safely and breathe a lot easier. For more information about RoboVent, please log on to robovent.com.